Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the HD camera app and granting camera, mic, and storage access so it can save footage. This is essential. Once done, open Settings and set resolution. Pick 1080p for balance of quality and file size, then choose 16:9 for widescreen. Make sure grid and stabilization are enabled to steady framing, and use tap to focus to lock exposure on your subject. These first steps prevent common issues later on. Now dial in advanced controls. You should adjust ISO and shutter speed to control brightness and motion. Lower ISO reduces noise, while slower shutter captures motion blur. Make sure to use manual focus for close-ups and monitor the histogram or zebra stripes to prevent blown highlights. These tools show you what the sensor sees. Next, set bitrate according to storage and quality needs. Record a 10-second test clip to confirm settings, then start your full take when you're satisfied. Finish by exporting and backing up. Choose MP4 for compatibility and export at the same resolution you recorded to avoid recompression. Once done, copy footage to cloud or SD card and enable autosave so you never lose takes during unexpected shutdowns. If something goes wrong, like app crashes or missing audio, clear the app cache, restart your phone, and update or reinstall the app. Make sure permissions are still granted, because denied mic or storage access often causes recording failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.